Anybody out there remember watching the National Spelling Bee on television? You'd have these bright, bright, bright young people, and they'd be asked to spell these words I had never heard of and didn't know their meaning. But one thing that made us all giggle was when they would say, well, can you define that word? And is it related to this word? And what's that word's definition? Do they have the same root in common? There was something about if you could define what a word is, you could understand how it was put together. When it comes to the process of discipleship, it means the process of helping someone become a disciple of Jesus. But how do we know if we are being disciples of Jesus? And how do we know if we are helping people become disciples of Jesus? And if someone says, what does it mean to be a disciple of Jesus? Can you tell them in a sentence? Well, the Bible is full of passages, but Lincoln Christian Church has landed on one verse from the mouth of Jesus as he was calling his first disciples of what his goal for all of us is and our goal for all of the people in our influence. This is what a disciple is. And it comes from Matthew chapter 5, verse 14. Let's take a look. Jesus says, "Come, follow me, and I will make you fishers of men." Matthew chapter 4, verse 19. Jesus calls his disciples, as we call disciples of Jesus today, come, follow Jesus, and he will make you fishers of men. So what is a disciple? How do we know that somebody's a disciple of Jesus Christ? Well, we would say it this way. A disciple is someone who is following Jesus. They've made the commitment to make Jesus Lord of their life. That's kind of that first step. They're being changed by Jesus. Jesus is helping us all grow up and become mature and become spiritual adults that we can make an impact in our world. And Jesus says, I will make you fishers of men. He wants to use us to accomplish his mission to transform the world around us, to bring people to faith in Jesus Christ, and ultimately for people to reproduce this process in others as Jesus set the process in motion with his disciples. Come, follow me, Jesus said, and I will make you fishers of men. How are you doing on that? Are you taking these steps? Are these priorities still important to you? Or is it maybe time to refresh what that is in your own soul? When we first started rolling out 419 Discipleship, this is the logo we used. And it combined this verse with some images. Come follow me, Jesus says. The word to follow in the footsteps of the Master. And I will make you. Jesus changes us just sometimes as painfully as being pounded on hammer and anvil. But he changes us. Why? So that we can be fishers of men and make a difference in this world for Jesus Christ. So, thank you for helping us make 419 disciples of Jesus Christ. People who are following Jesus, being changed by Jesus, and on mission with Jesus. It's an honor to serve with you all.